Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a how to pose part 2. I'm going to be showing you some poses that you wouldn't normally do, such as maybe sitting poses, kneeling poses, or just other poses that are not necessarily just standing up, if you know what I mean. I did a part 1 to this and I'm going to link that video up here somewhere, or I'm going to link it in the description box, so make sure you're looking out for that. This video is sponsored by Nastygal, so shout out to them for sponsoring your girl. I'm going to show you what's new at Nastygal, the pieces that I got this month for January. You guys know I love Nastygal because they're super affordable, but they have trendy clothes no matter the occasion. All of the links as well as my clothing sizes will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And if you are new here, hey girl, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you join the fam, okay? And if you are returning, hey boo, welcome back. I do hope that you enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright you guys, so this is going to be broken up into 2 parts. The first part is me just showing you the pieces that I got from Nastygal this month, and then the second portion is going to be me actually styling the pieces. So the first item that we have here is this brown sweater maxi dress, which I'm so in love with. This is definitely perfect for the winter, and keep in mind that you can also layer this and you can also put things underneath this to keep you extra warm for the winter time. This long sleeve here has like this little turtleneck. If you would like a more fitted look, you can definitely go down a size. It does have like 2 splits here on the side, which I really like. This would be perfect with some over the knee boots. If you would like to, you can definitely add like a little belt here just to give you a little shape. So it's completely up to you, but I really love this color and I just love the style of it. Again, it is super duper stretchy and very flowy, so I am so here for that. Also, I wanted to show you guys that I did get a pair of shoes from Nastygal here. Now this one, it is giving a very much summer shoe, but it's okay. So this is what it looks like, and I just really think this is a beautiful shoe, girl. Look at this shoe. It's all black, kind of has like this little leather, pleather, type feel. It has like this little crisscross here in the front. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't really think it's as high, but the heel looks like it can be a little bit, supportive as well. So I really just like this. It's square toe. I love a square toe shoe. I don't know why. I think it just really supports my wide feet, so maybe that's the reason why I like it. But yeah, this is just how it looks. I think this is just such a gorgeous shoe. All right, so here's the next look. I love sweater dresses for the winter time because, like I stated, you can just layer them and it's just so cute, especially like with some boots. Definitely like a go-to for me for the winter time. I have this white midi sweater dress here from Nastygal. I actually really like it. It does come below the knee, so we do love that. Again, you can definitely add some over the knee boots to this so you can be as warm as possible. You can add a scarf to this. You can definitely layer it with like a nice long line jacket. So so many different things that you can do. So I'm not really a big fan of like the neckline. It's very stretchy. I think I got this in a size medium, so you can definitely go down a size so you can have a more fitted look. It's not as like structured and tailored as I would like for it to be. And your girl is not really blessed up here, so I would like for it to be a little bit more fitting up here. But other than that, the dress is definitely gorgeous, but you just have to be mindful as far as like what type of like bra or undergarments you wear. So the next thing I have here is this blazer. It's this oversized blazer. You can definitely layer underneath it, or you can just have a blazer. Like if you're going to work, you can have this blazer on and throw a coat on top of it. So many options you can do when wearing a blazer. I literally love the color of this blazer. It's just so nice. Now it's not a structured blazer. It does have like light shoulder pads here, but as far as that, it's very like flowy, so you can definitely add belts to this. But I absolutely love this. Super cute. So last but not least, here's the last item, which is this bodysuit. I posted this on my Instagram and you guys went crazy, okay? This bodysuit is so bomb. I just absolutely love it. As you can see, it has this abstract design here, which is just so freaking gorgeous. I love the colors in here. Like, who would have thought of these colors together? You get what I'm saying? So it has like burgundy, it has like the baby blue. I call this like a little bit of like peach, light orange. You get what I'm saying? But this is just so gorgeous. I love it. So I wanted to be bold and I decided to pair it with some baby blue pants. So yeah, that's how I did it, but you can definitely wear it so many different ways. So these are not actually the same pair of pants that I wore this bodysuit with on my picture, but girl, here for it. Super cute, super freaking cute, okay? All right, you guys, so I hope that you can see me well and I hope this works out well, fingers crossed. But we're moving into the posing portions. Like I stated, watch part 1. Is gonna, just kind of give you all my reasoning behind having a great pose, no matter who you're with, no matter what the occasion is, no matter if you want to be an influencer or a creator or not. Like, just in general, just having a great pose and giving your best in every photo just really makes you feel confident, and you just get the perfect photo each and every time. I don't know how well this is going to work. I may have to insert some some pics that I've done in the past as well, so you can see it, because it's going to be hard to kind of like adjust the camera so you can see like what I'm talking about. But anyway, I have this bar stool here, so I kind of want to show you like when it comes to like posing sitting down, if you're at a restaurant or whatever, you know, get some different type of poses instead of the, you know, standing up, the look away, you know, type poses. So pull this back a little bit. I just threw on some little heels with this or whatever. So now this is not gonna look exactly how I would pose like if I was actually sitting, you know, down, because this is a little bit different. It depends on the height of your chair and like the type of chair. Like this bar stool, I don't know if you can see it, but if I just like let go, I slide down, so it's slanted a little bit. And it also like swivels, so I just want to keep that in mind, like a disclaimer. There's really no wrong way of doing poses in a high chair or just sitting down. You can literally look like whatever, do whatever, and it's still gonna hit, girl, okay? I love that about like sitting down poses. You don't look awkward, you get what I'm saying? As always, just continuously take the photos until you find one that hits. One of them photos gonna hit, okay? When sitting down, when standing up, it doesn't matter what it is, your posture does matter. So you just want to make sure that your posture is right, you know, you're sucking in, your shoulders are back, you're not slouched over. You can cross your legs. You can cross your leg, that's one. Now I personally do not like to do this. It just gives me very much high school photo, you know, and we don't want that. So I kind of like to do other things with my hands. So if you put your hands out on your knee, kind of relax it a little bit, don't grip it, but just kind of like relax it a little bit, let it naturally fall on your knee. And then you can put this hand on the back of the seat and you can do something like this, looking at the camera. You can look away. You don't even have to touch your head, but you can do this. Even if you want to pull your hand back a little bit, you can. Again, switch legs. This is where you kind of really want to suck in, because you want to see a little bit of stomach. But this leg right here kind of covers that. But again, the same way, you can just do that. Look at the camera, look away. You don't have to put this hand on your leg with this. Like, you can still just do it like this. I don't like to be straight on personally, because if you're straight on, you can't really get the whole gist of the outfit. Like you can, but you can't. Like, you want to give the girls a little something different. So I do like to like turn to the side. Sorry you guys, it's loud. Depending on the chair that you have, you'll be able to sit up just a little bit more. Make sure you're still keeping your posture in mind, even though you're kind of like leaning back on the chair. Like I said, you work with your face, whether you want to look off, whether you want to look at the camera, you want to serve face, you do whatever. But that's just a few tips on like if you're crossing your legs, on where to put your hands. And you know, even if you wanted to, you can put it on the back of the chair like this. You don't have to like do this, you don't have to do that. It could just be something like this. You can also put your hand like this on the back of the chair, looking off, straight to the camera. So a few different things. So that's that. Another thing that I like to do is the reaching out. Okay, I know y'all have seen this so many times on the girls. But it's an aesthetic, okay? Like I said, it's something different. If you want something that's not your normal poses, this is gonna be that different type of pose that you're looking for. We're assuming that your chair has this little like bar right here, but if it doesn't, it's fine, girl. If you like this, you could do this if you want to, if you feel comfortable. It gives you a really nice little, you know, little look or whatever. Again, keep your posture in mind. And then you just literally just reach out, and then that's it. Like, that is super cute, girl. Like, I don't care what nobody say. Anytime I've seen a person like just reach out with their hand, it's an aesthetic, okay? Like, especially like just depending on where you're at. Like if you're in a restaurant and you got like nice, you know, and you got a nice environment and you just like reach out and the food is there, like glasses and stuff, and it just looks so cute, and you do this, baby, that's cute. Put your hand over your face fully, or you can kind of do like a little side so you can still see it. So your eye and the camera lens, y'all connecting. So it could be, you know, something like this. You can also like spread your legs just a little bit so you're not looking so stiff, like you're not looking like you're posing. Just be as relaxed as possible. Kind of lean to one side so you can see how this is, and bam, super, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, so that's that. Another thing that I like to do is just, like I said, have the legs out here. I know you're not going to be able to see it, but maybe you can see it a little bit here in the mirror. But I just put the leg out here. I can also just let my hands just fall freely. Again, I'm paying attention to, it is so hard, y'all. I'm literally sliding, and I literally let my hand relax in between. I like to lean forward just a little bit, not too much, not dramatically, okay, but I just kind of like lean forward just a little bit and like kind of do a look over your shoulder. It's super cute when you do this. I just feel like it. But just like, and you can also tilt your head. You know, I'm naturally doing this, so I'm now thinking about the things that I'm doing. Another thing that I like to do is like the looking like you're about to walk towards the camera, but you literally just act like you're about to get up. It is so hard to show you guys because my head is going to be cut off, but I'll insert the picture. It's just like you're acting like you're about to get up and you look to the side. This one right here, you can probably have your purse here because it's like, girl, I'm about to go, okay? That's how it looks, okay? I'm about to go, I'm done taking pictures, but it's still cute. It's just something different, you know what I'm saying? So it could be like this. Like you can lean on the table. I'm gonna insert those pictures, but you can lean on the table like this. You know what I mean? Just even having like one of your legs on the floor and then the other one like propped up on the chair, and just looking over your shoulder, looking to the back, looking at the camera, like something like this. I kind of like to leave this area open just depending on where I'm turning to. That's really much it when it comes to sitting down. Like I stated, it's just all about you just feeling yourself, being extremely confident, and like I said, just get rid of those like normal, like traditional crossing the legs, you know, type of pose, or you know, type of pose. Like, girl, have fun with it, okay? If you gotta put one leg out, this on the back of the shoulder, if you gotta appear like a male, okay? It's cute, it's an aesthetic. As long as you ain't showing nothing, like if you got pants on like how I did, this could be a look too. You can just have fun with it, okay? Like, it does not have to be those traditional poses. So that's what I recommend. All right, now this one right here is going to be a little bit difficult for me to show you because I am going to be lower to the ground, but I am going to insert some pictures that I've done like this before. And again, the camera is looking down on me, so it is going to appear just a little bit off, but make sure the person that's taking your picture gets down there with you too, okay? Like, they can't be over you because it's not going to look good. You get what I'm saying? Like, depending on how they take it and depending on what you're going for. But other than that, like, you want people, when they're looking at that photo of you kneeling down, you want people to feel like they're on the ground with you, okay? Scrub the ground. Like, you want people to be there looking at you, okay? Your posture matters. Like, you don't want to be like this because, again, it's not giving confidence. It's not giving in the photos at all. Your legs may hurt too. There's been plenty of times where I'm like, ooh, especially when you have on heels. I don't personally like my feet to be together when it comes to like posing or whenever it comes to like kneeling. I like to pull a leg out and you may have to adjust a few times so you can get it right. Put your hand to the side, like you can relax it, or you can just relax it on your leg, and then you can again just do like this. You can look right here. You can put both hands this way. You can look out. You can look to the camera. Girl, my leg hurt, I ain't even gonna lie. You can also slouch over on this pose too, depending on the type of look that you're going for. If you're doing more of like a classy look, which I don't think you're gonna be kneeling with a classy photo. I think that's pretty much it whenever it comes to kneeling. I think it really just a matter of you getting out there and really just playing around and seeing what works for you. Even if you're looking in a mirror, you can definitely practice in a floor-length mirror and just kneeling, getting down there and just again seeing what works for you. All right, babe, so that completes this video on how to pose part 2. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you watch part 1 so you can see how I normally pose as well. Again, thank you to Nastygal for sponsoring this video. All the links as well as the clothing sizes will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out, and I will see you in my next video.